Alright, picture this. You're a small business owner, maybe you're a plumber, a landscaper, a cleaner, or even an electrician. You're juggling everything: the actual work, the scheduling, the invoicing, the customer communication, and let's be honest, probably a million other things. Sound familiar? Now, imagine if there was a magic wand, or better yet, an app that could take away the headache of all that back office stuff. Would you believe me if I told you that such a tool exists? That's what we're diving into today. We're going to be talking about Jobber and answering the big question: what exactly is this app used for? But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why something like Jobber is even necessary in the first place. Think about the traditional way service businesses operate. You get a call, you scribble down the details on a notepad, you try to remember to schedule it in your head, you do the job, then you spend hours trying to create an invoice, and then you hope the customer actually pays you. It's a chaotic system, prone to errors, and honestly, a massive time sink. And time, as we all know, is money. For small business owners, every minute spent on administrative tasks is a minute taken away from actual revenue-generating activities. That's where technology steps in to save the day. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Jobber is essentially a field service management software. It's designed to streamline and automate the day-to-day operations of businesses that provide services in the field. Think of it as a central hub for all your business activities, accessible from your computer or your phone. So what does that actually mean? Let's break it down into the core functionalities. First up, scheduling. Jobber allows you to create and manage your schedule with ease. You can see your team's availability, assign jobs, and even optimize routes to minimize travel time. No more double booking, no more missed appointments. It's all organized in one place, visually and easy to adjust. Imagine you have a team of 5 technicians. Instead of calling each one individually to check their availability, you can simply open Jobber and see everyone's schedule at a glance. You can drag and drop jobs, reassign them, and even send automated reminders to your team and your customers. This reduces the risk of human error and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Next, we have quoting and estimating. Creating professional quotes and estimates can be a time-consuming process. Jobber simplifies this by allowing you to create custom quotes in minutes. You can add items from your service list, calculate costs, and even include photos and attachments. This not only saves you time but also helps you present a more professional image to your customers. Let's say a customer calls you for a landscaping job. Instead of scribbling down notes and trying to remember all the details, you can enter the information directly into Jobber. You can then select the services they require, add any necessary materials, and generate a quote right on the spot. You can even send the quote to the customer via email or text message, and they can approve it online. Moving on to invoicing and payments. Getting paid is crucial for any business. Jobber makes it easy to create and send invoices, track payments, and even accept online payments. You can set up recurring invoices for regular customers, send payment reminders, and integrate with popular payment platforms. This not only streamlines the payment process but also improves your cash flow. No more chasing down customers for payments or manually entering payment information. Jobber automates the entire process, allowing you to focus on more important things. You can even see at a glance which invoices are overdue and send automatic reminders to nudge customers to pay. Then there's customer management. Building strong relationships with your customers is essential for repeat business. Jobber allows you to store customer information, track their service history, and communicate with them directly through the app. You can send appointment reminders, follow-up messages, and even request reviews. This helps you provide a better customer experience and build loyalty. Imagine having all your customer information at your fingertips. You can see their past jobs, their contact details, and even any notes you've made about their preferences. This allows you to provide personalized service and build stronger relationships. And don't forget about team management. If you have a team, Jobber makes it easy to manage their schedules, track their performance, and communicate with them in real time. You can assign tasks, send messages, and even track their location. This helps you keep your team organized and efficient. You can see where your team members are, what jobs they're working on, and how long they've been working. This allows you to manage your team more effectively and ensure that everyone is working efficiently. But it's not just about the individual features. It's about how they all work together to create a seamless workflow. Jobber integrates all these functions into a single platform, eliminating the need for multiple apps and manual data entry. This saves you time, reduces errors, and improves your overall efficiency. Think about the time you spend switching between different apps or manually entering data into spreadsheets. Jobber eliminates all of that, allowing you to focus on what you do best. One of the biggest benefits of Jobber is its mobile accessibility. The app is available on both iOS and Android, allowing you to manage your business from anywhere. Whether you're in the office, in the field, or on the go, you can access your schedule, create quotes, send invoices, and communicate with your team and customers. This means you can manage your business from the palm of your hand. You can check your schedule while you're on the way to a job, create a quote while you're talking to a customer, or send an invoice while you're waiting in line at the coffee shop. Another key advantage is the reporting and analytics it provides. Jobber gives you valuable insights into your business performance, allowing you to track your revenue, expenses, and customer satisfaction. You can generate reports, analyze trends, and make data-driven decisions to improve your business. You can see which services are most profitable, which customers are most valuable, and how your team is performing. This information can help you make informed decisions about your business strategy. And let's not forget the integration capabilities. Jobber integrates with a variety of other business tools, such as QuickBooks Online, MailChimp, and Zapier. This allows you to connect your Jobber account with your existing workflows and automate even more tasks. This means you can seamlessly integrate Jobber with your accounting software, your email marketing platform, and other tools you use to run your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.